Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at kind of a little bit of an unusual Swiss Army knife. This is a Motorola branded Swiss Army knife by Victorinox. And one thing that I thought was sort of interesting is there's no shield on this one, on any of the scales. And I'm not sure why that is the case, but that is the case. And also, this has the plus scales on it instead of the normal Huntsman scales. So it has the, I'll show you. It's got the pin, which you would expect in the Huntsman's, in the scales, in the plus scales. Toothpick and tweezers. Toothpick and tweezers. And some lint. Okay, I can't get them in there. Okay. It's got some lint. And you have the micro screwdriver and the corkscrew. And you have the removable stick pin right there in the scale. Now, aside from that, this is a normal Huntsman. And it has the corkscrew, which we just saw. Has the multi-purpose hook, or the carrying hook. It's got an awl, which is the usual awl. And on the front side, there's the can opener and flathead screwdriver. The bottle opener and the stupid wire stripper thing, and another flathead screwdriver, a larger one. And you get the scissors with this. Usual Victorinox scissors. You get a saw, which is a surprisingly effective saw. The small blade. And the larger knife blade. And as you can see, it is a branded Victorinox. It just doesn't have the shield. That's kind of interesting, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, if you're interested in a Huntsman, I'll include a link in the description where you can find one. You can just get them on Amazon. And I'll also include a link to the Swiss Army Knife wiki page that talks about the Huntsman. It's kind of, I mean, I like the blue. The blue's a nice color. I may have to see if I can get some blue scales and rescale a Swiss Army knife in blue. What do y'all think? Wait, I've already scaled a Swiss Army knife in blue. I gotta look and see if it's the exact same color blue, though. I feel like this is a little bit different. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. What do you think of the Huntsman in general? And what do you think of a Motorola logoed Huntsman? Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.